On February 25, 2026, officers are moving in on a suspect after dozens of calls to 911 about a dangerous driver, with the situation escalating after the second suspect had already fled and successfully escaped police 3 separate times. Now officers are determined one last time to get this driver off the road for good. Seconds authorities have information indicating the driver may also be armed with a handgun.
403, they're going to be southbound on Hannon. We got a valid traffic violation. They're not pursuing it. We have no marked unit yet that tried to stop it.
Go again with the information, please.
All right, I got a valid stop for it. It's speeding. There's no actual chase on it yet. It was a UC car trying to keep up with it. We're going to attempt to put a traffic stop for the violation.
Speed red towards police.
All right, it's fleeing from me. We're going to be going 70 miles an hour. We're eastbound Hannon approaching HRD. No plate.
No traffic.
You guys call it. K9's lead.
Taylor, just for speed.
From speeding up plate.
Alright. We are turning South Walsh Road. South Walsh Road. I'm leading. Still southbound Walsh, 62, no traffic, approaching Jug. South to south you're on, continuing on 70 light traffic.
No plate, busted passenger window.
Space them out. Everybody just space out. 401 terminating.
K9 terminating. I'm lead car. I'm following normal traffic. Still got hazards on. It's continuing through Willow. It's continuing with hazards on. Pulling to the side.
Copy that. If you can stop it, go ahead and make a penalty stop on it.
I can't. They're baiting us right now. She's slowing down with the hazards on. She's pulling to the side. As soon as I get closer, she steps on it.
What is the nature of the threat? It's shooting Taylor police. They heard a gun racking in the background on the phone call.
She just turned west on Ash. Again, I'm going normal traffic. She's over by Milan, pulled into a house. I'm going to try to felony stop.
And 3763.
Backyard!
37643, Jay is at the dead end.
Get out of the car! Get out of the car now! Get out of the car! 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 Get out of the car!
Ran through a fence. She's continuing back now on Ash.
Broken radio.
She just drove through a yard. We are westbound on Ash, heading towards Clark.
14 over Monroe County, southbound Clark.
Gold plate on the vehicle. Location turning into the dump. As you went into the dump, I don't know where she went. I lost eyes with her. She might have went past the scale. I'm not
100%. Back here, she's going up the hill, back here.
417 base. If you haven't already, can we get something on the way over here?
Get Monroe out here, please, if they can assist so they can get a pit on her.
Alright, radio, we're still going to the top of the hill.
1400, Jay's no plate, no plate. Have you headed to the right? 316, stand by, I'm taking you around. 316, just go back up. They're in the dump, trying to pursue this vehicle still. I see some coverage in the road.
Coming back down, look out. Almost struck K9, almost struck K9.
Going back to the gate base. Let whoever else know.
Going downhill.
Watch it, she's gonna ram you.
Over here, be careful, she's trying to ram us.
Coming back out the gate. Coming back out the gate.
Back out the gate. 403.
They got it blocked. They got it blocked. Get out of the car! 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 Unlock the door! Unlock the door!
Open the door! Open the door! Watch out!
Watch it! Watch it! Watch it! Watch it! Get out of the car!
Get out of the car now!
Get out! Open. Watch your gun! Watch your gun! Watch your gun!
I can't get it out.
What has she got?
She has her hands on there!
Open the door!
Open the door right now!
I can't get it. Open the door now!
Stop right now!
Get out!
Don't chase her!
Officers to AHL, please.
Get him out! Give me a purse!
Flip her over! Flip her over! Flip her over! Watch her for weapons! Watch her for weapons!
We got a lot of guns back here.
Alright, get her up! Get her up!
I got flesh in my fingers, you motherfuckers all going down. Every one of you. Every one of you. God's gonna get you. My angels in heaven are gonna find your ass in the name of the Father and the Son and the Holy Spirit. I don't need a spit mask. I promise I won't spit on you.
Get her secure.
I promise. You are no motherfucking dignity at all.
Here, I think I blasted my eye. All right. Radio, we need another rescue for an officer. We got glass in one eye. You want to try to flush it?
Yeah, please.
It's got salt water, so it's going to sting.
Officer, up here, I need them. I will update when I get them and the original alternative.
It's going to sting, but...
Sorry, go ahead. One more.
No, you're good?
Hey, one of those guys can take my truck. Do not tow my truck. I'm gonna spit in your car.
That's a good idea.
I hope your family suffers the way my family has suffered. You all try to kill me. Get me out of your car. My dead brother pistols. Those are my dead brother's shotguns as well. Don't you dare. Get the sheriff here. Let me out of this car, asshole.
I'm good. Yeah, my hand hurts. I was trying to punch her
I
window
saw that.
out.
I just didn't want you guys getting run over. That's why I was saying back
Oh,
off.
when we went to that house, she almost hit me with the car. She gunned it right at me.
Oh yeah, she went right through. Is there a cage? Is there a spit cage?
She can't get to us.
I know, but can she spit?
No, it's got plexi on there.
I'm not putting a spit hood on. I won't spit on you because I'm a good person. Not like you. Your whole family sucks. My family rocks.
Whoever's staying here, can you collect my taser? I got her in the back with it.
Nuts, man.
You see all these motherfuckers? You guys are screwed. I don't even know who these dudes are, man, but they're watching out for me. This is so awesome. I'm gonna trouble all the family. They're gonna bleed out of their asshole. I seen a YouTube video one time of these motherfuckers in a different country, man. You're lucky my dad's dead. You're so lucky my brother's dead. I hope your daughters wind up in a psych ward. Go shoot your mom, man. Pow. Shoot your dad. Pow. Don't whistle, man. Piece of shit. That's not gonna anything. You motherfucker. Your gun's drawn and shit, you motherfucker. You poor puppy.
Straight going away?
Yeah, dragging her head off the cage, and she's been serenading my dog, so.
Oh.
Yeah, she said there better be 40 motherfuckers with their guns drawn to hand at her.
Hi! You called us so much, now you get to stay here with us. Come on, then.
Oh, here you go.
I'm
trying.
Check that there.
Come on, yeah, you guys. Push harder, push on my head. Smash my cheek in a cement. Come on, motherfucker. Get the off me. You want to take all of my clothing off so I can be naked? You stupid You done it to me before. You got me in jail before. My knees are up in the first place.
A lot of things up with you.
Jesus Christ, I need my